Good morning, students of class 12. Welcome to your online classes of English. Today, in the supplementary reader Vistas part, we will be starting with the next chapter. That is chapter number 4, The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. Okay, The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. Now, in this chapter, we are talking about the Second World War. Okay, during the Second World War, Japanese and Americans were enemies. And you already know about Pearl Harbor. When Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, that means American took the revenge. That means what they revenge they took upon the Japanese. That means they had thrown the hydrogen bomb in Nagasaki and Hiroshima. And still we can see the repercussion of that hydrogen bomb in Japan, in Hiroshima and Nagasaki. And soon after that they recovered also. That means we are talking about the Second World War. That means during that time the story had taken place, and it's a true story. Now we'll be studying the chapter and what are the main objectives and outcome of the lesson. The main objective of the lesson is that why we are having wars, why there is a need to have wars. If the country remains peaceful within itself, then there is no need of wars and fighting all around. Why we need all this? Okay, so this is the main objective of the lesson. And what is the main outcome of the lesson? The main outcome, the motto, and the moral of the lesson is that means we all are brothers and sisters. If we talk about our neighboring countries, if we talk about our European countries, that means we should live all together in peace. Then we should treat each and everyone equally and with peace. That means we should treat equally. We should treat each other equally and with peace, and we should live in peace. There should be no wage of war and fights in the world. That means the war should not be there at all. There should be no need of war at all. So, this is the main outcome of the lesson, you could say. Now, see, the enemy, the little bit about the introduction part I will tell you. It is the time of the World War II. It is the time of the World War II. Japan is at war with America. As I told you, Japan and America were enemies, and Japan is at war with America. During that time, that means Japan struck Pearl Harbor in America. Due to that, Americans also took the revenge upon Japanese. An American prisoner of war gets washed away to the doorsteps of a Japanese Dr. Sadao Hoki. That means an American prisoner, anyhow, he escapes from Japanese jail and he walks to the doorsteps of Dr. Sadao Hoki. Now, Dr. Sadao Hoki was a Japanese doctor. The choice is very hard for Dr. Sadao and his wife. The choice before Dr. Sadao and his wife, Dr. Sadao's wife was also a surgeon. She was also a doctor. It means that. Okay. That means should they hand him over to the police or save him from dying? That means the choice before Dr. Sadao and his wife was that should they save that American soldier or hand him to the police? Okay, because that person was in dying condition. Now, being a doctor, Sadao gives top priority. Being a doctor, Sadao sets a very good example. He sets a very top priority to save the life of a dying man. He saves a life of a dying soldier, dying American soldier. That means he saves a life of a dying American soldier. Not only does he save him, but also helps him in escaping to freedom. Not only Dr. Sadao and his wife saves the life of that American soldier, and but they help him to escape from their country. They help him to escape from their country. This is the story all about. Now see, I would be explaining you the story in detail now. Sadao's education, his father's main concern. Sadao's father's main concern was about Dr. Sadao's education. Dr. Sadao Hoki house was built on the Japanese coast. Dr. Sadao's Hoki's house was built on the Japanese coast. His father never joked or played with him. His father never joked or played with him. He was a very serious man. Sadao knew that his education was his father's concern. And Dr. Sadao knew about that. His education was his father's main concern. For this reason, he had sent him to America. For this reason only, his father sent Dr. Sadao to America to become a doctor. Okay, at 22 to learn of surgery. At the age of 22, he sent his son to America to learn about surgery and medicine. He had come back at 30. At 30, he came back to Japan. Before his father died, he had seen Sadao become a famous surgeon and scientist. Before his father died, his father had already seen Dr. Sadao become a famous surgeon and scientist. Now, in the next paragraph, Sadao married Hana. Now, Hana was Dr. Sadao's wife. Hana married Dr. Sadao. She was also a Japanese lady. Okay. Sadao had met Hana in America. Sadao had met Hana in America. He did not fall in love with her until he was sure she was Japanese. That means he did not love her until he knew that she was a Japanese lady. His father would never have accepted, otherwise, his father would not have accepted him and his wife. Okay. Sadao met her at an American professor's house. Sadao met Hana at American professor's house. They came home to Japan. Their marriage had been arranged in the old Japanese way. When they came back to Japan, that means their marriage was arranged in old Japanese tradition. Okay, they were perfectly happy and had two children. After marriage, they were perfectly happy and they had two children after that. Now, in the third paragraph, wounded American soldier Tom found crawling. Now we are talking about that soldier who came to Dr. Sadao's house. He was crawling. He was crawling. ओके घुटनों के बल चल के डॉक्टर सदाव के घर आ रहा था क्योंकि वो घायल था. ही वॉज वुंडेड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. नाउ सी, Sadao and Hana found something coming out of the mist. Towards their house, they found that something was coming out of the west. मतलब something was coming out of the foggy weather. Okay? A man seemed to be on his hands and knees crawling. A man was coming towards their house and he was on his knees and hands and he was crawling. Then they saw him fall on his face. They saw him fall on his face and lie there. He was wounded and lay motionless on the sand. He was wounded and he laid motionless on the sand. He was a white man. Who he was? He was a white man. That means he was an American. He was a white man. He was an American soldier. On the right side of his lower back, Sadao saw that a gun wound had reopened. On the right side of his shoulder, this is the right side of his shoulder, that means the gun wound was there. मतलब गोली लगी थी उसको. He was bleeding. He was bleeding. He packed the wound with the sea moss. Dr. Sadao packed the wound with the sea moss. Sea में कुछ mosses होते हैं. That means he packed the wound with that. The man cried but did not awaken. वो आदमी दर्द से चिल्लाया but he did not awaken. वो काफ़ी बेहोश हो गया था. They read the faint letters on his cap. They read the faint letters on his cap. US Navy cap. It was United States Navy cap. That means he was an American soldier. The American was a prisoner of a war. That means वो युद्ध का बंदी था. He was a prisoner of a war. Now in the fourth paragraph, sheltered a white man. डॉक्टर सदाव और हना ने उस वाइट मैन को अपने घर में शरण दिया. दे शेल्टर्ड दैट वाइट मैन हु वॉज एन अमेरिकन सोल्जर. इफ दे शेल्टर्ड द वाइट मैन इन देयर हाउस, दे वुड बी अरेस्टेड. डॉक्टर सदाव को ये चीज़ मालूम थी. इफ दे वुड शेल्टर द वाइट मैन इन देयर हाउस, दे वुड बी अरेस्टेड. बट इफ दे turned him over as a prisoner, he would certainly die. If they turn him out, that means that man would certainly die. The couple was in a fix. The couple was in a fix means they were greatly confused. They were in a dilemma. Okay? All Americans were their enemies. During that time, all Americans were their enemies. If he were healthy, they could turn him over to the police. अगर वो healthy होता तो वो उसको पुलिस के हवाले कर देते. But he was wounded. But he was wounded very badly. He would die unless he was operated on. अगर उसका ऑपरेशन नहीं किया जाए तो वो मर भी सकता था. At any rate, something was to be done. At any rate, something was to be done with him. The two servants were frightened because the servants of the house of Dr. Sadao were very frightened because they were sheltering the enemy. क्योंकि वो दुश्मन को अपने घर में जगह दे रहे थे. At what their master had just told them. लेकिन उनके मास्टर ने उनको समझाया कि डरने की कोई बात नहीं है. That means डॉक्टर सदाव और हना ने समझाया अपने सर्वेंट्स को कि डरने की कोई बात नहीं. दे थॉट दैट देयर मास्टर शुड नॉट हील द वुंड ऑफ अ वाइट मैन. लेकिन सर्वेंट्स ने ये सोचा कि डॉक्टर सदाव को उस आदमी का इलाज नहीं करना चाहिए बिकॉज ही वॉज एन एनिमी. इवन यूमी रिफ्यूज टू वॉश अ वाइट मैन. और यूमी ने भी उसका वुंड साफ करने से मना कर दिया. यूमी वॉज अ सर्वेंट ऑफ डॉक्टर सदाउ's हाउस and returned to her work. And returned to her work. Yumi was a lady servant, maid servant. Hannah herself was Tom's breast and face with steaming hot water carefully. जब नौकरों ने साफ करने से मना कर दिया कि वो इसका वुंड साफ नहीं करेंगे, इसकी चोट को साफ नहीं करेंगे, तो हना ने खुद साफ किया उस वाइट मैन के वुंड को. इट वॉज लाइक दैट. Tom operated on. In the next paragraph, we'll talk about Tom operated on. फिर टॉम का ऑपरेशन किया गया. Sadao asked Hannah to help him to turn the man. Sadao asked Hannah to help him to turn the man. She obeyed. She was asked to give the synthetic if needed. She was asked to give the anesthetic. एनेस्थेटिक मीन्स हम वो इंजेक्शन देते हैं जो जिससे हम बेहोश कर सकें किसी इंसान को. एनेस्थेटिक इफ नीडेड. द बुलेट वॉज स्टिल देयर. द बुलेट वॉज स्टिल देयर इन हिज बॉडी. He had lost much blood. That man has lost much blood. Hannah could not bear the sight. The Hannah could not see all this and ran out of the room, and she ran away from the room. She had never seen an operation. इसके पहले उसने कभी कोई ऑपरेशन नहीं किया था. Sadao went on with his work. Sadao went on with his work. Sadao went on with his work. But she came with the bottle of some cotton. She came with a bottle of some cotton and all. Okay, in her hand. Then with a very clean and precise incision the bullet was taken out. Then in a very clean way, the bullet was taken out. Then quivered, but he was still unconscious. He was still unconscious. He only muttered a few words. He only muttered a few words in English. Dr. Sadao declared that the man would live in spite of all. That means after that, Dr. Sadao declared that man would live in spite of all. His life would be saved. Now, in the 6th paragraph, the young man woke up and he was terrified. We'll talk about that. The young man woke up. He was very weak. His blue eyes were terrified when he saw where he was. That means वो काफ़ी घबरा गया था. उसको पता नहीं था कि वो कहाँ पे. He was very afraid. Hannah consoled him. तो हना ने उसको दिलासा दिया. Consoled him not to be afraid. Not to be afraid. She comforted him that he would soon be strong. हना ने उसको कंफर्ट दिया कि वो जल्दी अच्छा हो जाएगा. On the 3rd day, Sadao examined the wound. तीसरे दिन डॉक्टर सदाव ने उसके वुंड को एग्जामिन किया. Tom asked what they were going to do with him. टॉम ने उनसे पूछा कि वो उनके साथ क्या करेंगे. He looked barely 17. मतलब वो सिर्फ 17 साल का नौजवान था. That American soldier. For a moment, Sadao did not answer. For that moment, Sadao did not answer at all. Tom was a prisoner of a war. Tom जो था वो युद्ध का बंदी था जापान में. He should have been handed over to the police. उसको पुलिस के हवाले करना चाहिए था, लेकिन उन्होंने उसको पुलिस के हवाले नहीं किया. Being a doctor, उन्होंने अपना फ़र्ज़ निभाया. That means they have performed their duty. Now in the 7th paragraph, servant grew ruthless. सर्वेंट्स जो थे डॉक्टर सदाओ के घर में वो काफ़ी रूथलेस हो गए थे, वो काफ़ी डरे हुए थे और उनको डॉक्टर सदाओ और हना के ऊपर गुस्सा भी आ रहा था। दे वे एंग्री विद देम बिकॉज दे वर ट्रीटिंग एन एनिमी, क्योंकि वो दुश्मन का इलाज अपने घर में कर रहे थे। इट वॉज लाइक दैट। नाउ सी, द सर्वेंट ग्रू डेली मोर watchful. Sadao wanted the prisoner to get up on his feet. He should practice it every day till he gained strength. दैट मीन्स सदाओ को जो है ये चाह रहे थे डॉक्टर सदाओ कि वो आदमी अपने पैरों पे खड़ा हो जाए. दैट मीन्स ही हैड टू प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे फॉर दैट. द मैन थैंक्ड द डॉक्टर फॉर सेविंग हिज लाइफ. That white man, that white soldier, thanked the doctor because Dr. Sadao and Hana saved his life. The doctor cautioned him not to be thankful to him so early. Sadao examined the wound carefully every day. The last stitches had been pulled out. फिर आखिरी में आखिरी वाले टाँके भी खोल दिए गए. The young man would be all right within a fortnight. The young man would be all right within a fortnight. Fortnight means a period of 2 weeks. What do you mean by fortnight? A period of 2 weeks, a period of 15 days. You could say a period of 2 weeks, that is known as fortnight. That means 15 दिनों के अंदर अंदर वो आदमी ठीक हो जाएगा. On the 7th day, the servant left them together. और 7वें दिन क्या हुआ, एक हफ्ते के बाद क्या हुआ, जितने भी सर्वेंट थे डॉक्टर सदाओ के घर में, सारे सर्वेंट उनका मकान छोड़ के चले गए. उनके घर में काम नहीं करना चाहते थे. क्यों काम नहीं करना चाहते थे? बिकॉज डॉक्टर सदाओ एंड हना व क्योरिंग एन एनिमी. वो दुश्मन का इलाज कर रहे थे. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, ओके, टुगेदर. हना वॉज टेरिफाइड but maintained her pride as mistress. हना काफ़ी घबरा गई लेकिन उन्होंने अपने आप को काफ़ी काम एंड कूल रखा. She paid them off and thanked them for all they had done for her. जाते समय उन्होंने सर्वेंट्स का थैंक यू किया और उनका पैसा दिया और उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद बोला. That means she had thanked them all whatever duty they had done in their house. Now see, in the 8th paragraph, the old general. The old general comes. The old general was sick. वो काफ़ी बीमार था जो old general था. He knew that Sadao was indispensable to him. और वो जानते थे कि डॉक्टर सदाओ बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर हैं, वो उनका इलाज कर सकते हैं. He did not want Sadao to be arrested. वो नहीं चाहते थे डॉक्टर सदाओ को अरेस्ट किया जाए क्योंकि उन्होंने एक एनिमी को अपने घर में शेल्टर दिया. वॉट वुड हैपन इफ़ ही वर कंडेम्ड टू डेथ? द नेक्स्ट डे ही वुड हैव टू हैव हिज ऑपरेशन. अगर वो डॉक्टर सदाओ को जो है जेल भेज देगा या मार देगा तो उसको भी अपना ऑपरेशन कराना था जनरल को. ओके. He did not trust other surgeon, क्योंकि दूसरे डॉक्टर्स पे उस जनरल को भरोसा नहीं था. द जनरल हिट अपॉन अ प्लान. तो जनरल के मन में एक प्लान आया. इट वुड बी बेस्ट इफ़ द अमेरिकन कुड बी क्वाइटली किल्ड. अगर ये अमेरिकन को चुपके से मार दिया जाए तो ये बेहतर होगा क्योंकि डॉक्टर सदाओ के ऊपर भी कोई इल्ज़ाम नहीं आएगा कि इसने एक एनिमी को शेल्टर दिया. इट मीन्स दैट ही हैड हिज ओन प्राइवेट असैसिन्स. क्योंकि जनरल के पास अपने कमांडोज थे. असैसिन्स मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द जनरल कमांडोज. ही कुड सेंड 2 of them टू हिज हाउस एट नाइट. जनरल जो है रात में चुपके से 2 असैसिन्स को, 2 कमांडोज को डॉक्टर सदाओ के घर में भेज देगा. सदाओ एग्रीड दैट इट वुड बी वेरी नेचुरल. और सदाओ भी इस बात के लिए एग्री हो गया. अगर वो आ जाएंगे डॉक्टर सदाव के घर में और उस आदमी को मार देंगे तो वो काफ़ी नेचुरल लगेगा। नाउ सी, इन द 9th पैराग्राफ, सदाव सेव्ड टॉम बट वंडर्ड वाई। सदाव ने टॉम की जान बचाई, उस आदमी की जान बचाई जो अमेरिकन सोल्जर था, लेकिन बाद में उसने ये भी वंडर किया वाई ही सेव्ड द लाइफ ऑफ दैट मैन। नाउ सी, सदाव थॉट ओवर द जनरल्स प्लान। सदाव ने जनरल के प्लान के बारे में भी सोचा। द होल थिंग कुड गो आउट ऑफ हिज हैंड। द होल थिंग could go out of his hands. Okay? He did not tell anything to Hannah. The next morning, he went to the guest room. He thought of putting his boat on the shore that night with food and extra clothing in it. The American might be able to know, and he was able to row to that little island. और वो अमेरिकन उस बोट में छोटे से आइलैंड में पहुंच जाएगा. In this way his life could be saved. Okay, not far from the coast. It was not far from that coast. Nobody lived on that island. उस आइलैंड पे कोई नहीं था. He gave all necessary instructions to Tom. The Tom was the name of that American soldier only. डॉक्टर सदाव ने सारे इंस्ट्रक्शन उस अमेरिकन सोल्जर टॉम को दे दिए थे. If his food ran out before he caught a Korean boat, he could signal him 2 flashes. अगर उसका खाना ख़त्म हो जाए तो वो टॉर्च से 2 फ्लैश मार सकता है. The young American shook Sadav's hand warmly and walked down into the darkness of the garden. डॉक्टर सदाव ने उस अमेरिकन सोल्जर को बोट तक छोड़ दिया एंड ही केप्ट ऑल द नेसेसरी थिंग्स इन द बोट. ओके, एंड ही वॉक्ड क्वाइटली थ्रू द गार्डन. सदाव इन्फॉर्म्ड द जनरल दैट द यंग मैन हैड एस्केप्ड. फिर बाद में डॉक्टर सदाव ने जनरल को इन्फॉर्म किया कि वो आदमी यहाँ से भाग गया, वो अमेरिकन सोल्जर यहाँ से भाग गया. द जनरल हैड प्रॉमिस सदाव टू गेट हिम किल्ड. जिस जनरल ने डॉक्टर सदाव को ये प्रॉमिस किया था कि उसको चुपके से मार देगा डॉक्टर सदाव के घर में, बट ड्यू टू हिज own illness he forgot to respect his promise. सदाव got his reward. फिर बाद में जनरल भी अपने प्रॉमिस को भूल गया और डॉक्टर सदाव को अपना रिवॉर्ड मिल गया. What reward he got? Being a doctor, he saved the life of that American soldier. Not only he saved the life of that American soldier, but he let him escape through his house also. He sent him to the nearby island to save his life. He did not receive any signal. No one was on the island. After that, डॉक्टर सदाव को कोई सिग्नल नहीं मिला. इसका मतलब वो आदमी सेफली था वहाँ पे. The prisoner had gone safe. प्रिजनर वहाँ पे सेफ था. ही लेफ्ट सेफली फ्रॉम देयर. सदाव रिमेंबर्ड दैट ही हैड अ लॉट ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टी इन फाइंडिंग अ प्लेस. सदाव को ये बात याद आई कि उनको वो जगह ढूंढने में काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्टी गई थी. टू लिव इन अमेरिका बिकॉज ही वॉज ए जापनीज। जब वो अमेरिका में थे तो उनको एक जापनीज़ होते हुए जगह ढूंढने में काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम हुई थी, क्योंकि अमेरिका में भी जापनीज़ उनके दुश्मन थे। ओके, द अमेरिकन्स व फुल ऑफ प्रेजुडिस। जो अमेरिकन्स थे वो जाति भेद पे बहुत बिलीव करते थे। दे वर फुल ऑफ प्रेजुडिस। वाइट पीपल व रिपल्सिव। और वाइट पीपल जो थे उनके अगेंस्ट काफ़ी रिपल्सिव थे, काफ़ी बुरा व्यवहार करते थे जापनीज़ के साथ। इट वॉज अ रिलीफ टू बी ओपनली एट अ वॉर विद देम एट लास्ट। मतलब वो भी चाहते थे कि वो अमेरिकन्स को नापसंद करें। ओके, उनके मन में ये बात थी। ओके, देन ही रिमेंबर्ड द हैगर्ड फेस ऑफ द प्रिजनर। फिर बाद में उनको प्रिजनर का जो हैगर्ड फेस याद आया, उनका दया वाला फेस याद आया, वाइट एंड रिपल्सिव। और वो भी ये चाहते थे कि वो उसके अगेंस्ट रिपल्सिव हो। बीइंग अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, दो थॉट्स उनके मन में आ रहे थे। दैट मीन्स एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग इज़ रिपल्सिव बाई नेचर, इट्स नेचुरल। और बीइंग अ सिटीज़न ऑफ जापान, उनके मन में भी दो थॉट्स आ रहे थे कि उन्होंने दुश्मन की जान क्यों बचाई। ओके, एंड स्ट्रेंज, एंड ही थॉट आई वंडर वाई आई कुड नॉट किल हिम। और उन्होंने ये भी वंडर किया कि उन्होंने उस आदमी को क्यों नहीं मरवा दिया, क्यों नहीं मार दिया या क्यों नहीं मरवा दिया। ओके, बीइंग अ डॉक्टर उनकी ड्यूटी थी कि वो उनकी लाइफ को सेव करें। ओके, दैट मीन्स he had saved the life of that man. In Ramayana also we have seen, okay, that means one uh, Vedic doctor comes from Sri Lanka. Hanumanji brings him to save the life of Lakshman, to save the life of Lakshman, who is the brother of Lord Ram. ओके, दैट मीन्स बीइंग अ डॉक्टर हमको ये सोचना चाहिए कि हमको पर्सन की जान कैसे बचानी है। दैट मीन्स हाउ वी कैन सेव द लाइफ ऑफ अ पर्सन। वी शुड नॉट सी हिज कास्ट और रिलीजन। दैट मीन्स विच कास्ट ही बिलोंग्स, विच रिलीजन ही बिलोंग्स। दैट मीन्स डॉक्टर का ये फ़र्ज होता है, एक डॉक्टर की एक ड्यूटी होती है। इट इज़ अ ड्यूटी ऑफ अ डॉक्टर to save a life of a human being. So this is all about the chapter. Thank you very much all. God bless you all.